Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and in this video I'm going to talk about some tips on how to take care of your deck, how to maintain the deck, and some of the things to look forward to when you start talking about items that are on your deck, future restoration, flower pots, that kind of stuff. One of the things that is detrimental to both a composite deck or a wood deck is going to be grease stains, and they come from the grill. So how do you prevent grease stains from getting on the deck? If they get onto the wood, one of the best ways or only ways to get rid of grease is with a degreaser. So if you're cleaning it off of a wood deck and it gets into the wood, sometimes it's going to be hard to remove that completely. So that's why we use grill mats. And the grill mats are fine to put on the deck. The only problem is underneath they're going to hold moisture. So what happens is you want to move those from time to time, take them out, move them side to side, let it dry out, let the wood dry out. That's number one. Number two, when we come back to stain this, if we leave the mats there, it's going to protect the stain underneath. And if it does that, it's going to look different than where it's exposed to the sun and it wears a little more. If we're going to be putting the grill mat back there in the same place, it doesn't much matter. And that goes for the umbrella stands or the door mats, any of those type of things that are on there. If they're going back in the same place, you don't have to worry about that. However, if you are worried about it, then take it out from time to time, move it. But the key really on a wood deck is to keep that moisture from being there. And that kind of leads me to the flower pots as well. The flower pots, I've already moved this. This was over on the corner. What I want to do, there's a couple things you could do. You could put blocks of wood underneath there or spacers so there's ventilation underneath, or you can move it from time to time and let it dry out. Both of those ideas will work. So this is how you help maintain the deck. Don't rot the wood out. Don't have issues moving forward. I see people that I go to the decks 10, 15, 20 years later, and some of the wood is great. In other areas, we got to replace some wood because one spot is rotted out and you can't fix rot. Now, if this were a composite deck, one of the things with composite decks is it doesn't go in like a porous surface like the wood when you spill grease and different items onto the deck. But you want to be careful of the type of cleaner you use. A mild degreaser, your dish soap, the stuff you clean your pots and pans with, will take up the grease stains if you get it on the composite deck. But again, if you use a grill cover on there, again, moisture can actually cloud the coloring and so forth on the deck, on the composite decking. You may want to take that off, let that dry out a little bit, and then it'll go back. One of the things when we get white cloudiness from moisture on a composite deck, you'll see people using a heat gun, and that kind of takes that out. So what we want to do is we're taking this out, moving the grill cover and letting the sun be our heat gun and dry that back out. So key is grill covers, flower pots, so forth, move them, let your deck dry out, let it weather a little bit more evenly, and that'll help with the future maintenance and also with any issues that might come up moving forward. So take care of your deck, move stuff around, do what you need to do. You don't hear this stuff too often, but you will from the Wizard. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for subscribing to the channel.